வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா அக்டோபர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 1 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். First one, which state has released the encyclopedia of tribes of the state? So it's Orissa. Carbon calculator feature which was seen in the news is associated with which company? So it is associated with Mastercard. It inaugurated the Lata Mangeshkar Chowk at the banks of Saryu River. So it is Uttar Pradesh. The evidence of trapping zone has been discovered in which country? So it's discovered in Maldives. Who is the first footballer to reach 700 club carried goals? So it's Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Dragonfly, the recent project of NASA, was launched to explore which planet? So it is Saturn. What is the name given to the final full moon of the winter season? So the name was Which state or Union territory inaugurated India's first artificial intelligence school? So it's the state Kerala. Which country is set to establish a global South Center of Excellence? So it is India. Hola Mohalla is a famous festival celebrated in which religion? So it is celebrated in the religion Sikh. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. inspireacadamii.com மெயில் ஐடியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோக்கு வந்துட்டு லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.